Okay, we're going to start off with some raw cacao powder. This is the unprocessed counterpart to your regular cocoa powder. What makes it so amazing is that it contains a lot of minerals and fiber that's going to provide a balancing effect on your blood sugar levels, and that's going to help take care of your cravings once and for all. And now let's add some healthy chocolatey goodness to the bowl. Next, we're going to add some coconut flour as the main ingredient. This is one of my absolute favorite ingredients, and I always keep some on hand. It's this cake battery flavor. I can't describe it. This vanilla-y, buttery kind of flavor. I absolutely love it in my dessert recipes. If you're wondering what else I keep in my pantry, I did a little tour and I have a list made for you, so I will link that video somewhere. Next, we're going to add a binder. In this recipe, I'm using natural peanut butter that's unsweetened, and this is going to enhance the fiber, protein, and add a little bit of healthy fat to this recipe, so your blood sugar is going to be balanced and you're going to get that clean burning energy for hours. To make this recipe extra satisfying, I'm going to add a little bit of vegan vanilla protein powder that's unsweetened. Next, we're going to sweeten our batter with some maple syrup. And to enhance the decadent brownie batter flavor, I'm going to add a little bit of my favorite vanilla extract. And for the final touch, we're adding some chopped walnuts for some brain-boosting healthy fats. We're going to combine the batter really well, and moving on to my favorite step of this recipe, which is to shape the batter into bite-sized pieces. You have to give it a try because this process is just so satisfying. I'm going to let you know how they turn out in a little bit. They taste so good, just like brownie batter. I highly recommend it if you love chocolate. They keep really well in the fridge for about a week, and as you can see, I keep them in a little mason jar. I really hope you enjoyed this no-bake brownie bite recipe. For more recipes like this, please make sure to subscribe below, and I look forward to bringing more wellness tips and delicious recipes like this your way. Until next time, take care.